We're starting on these fun, glowy lanterns. These are simple to make out of recycled plastic bottles, string lights, and an adhesive decorative wrap that you can purchase on group.com or from your VBS supplier. First, you'll want to cut off all the bottle tops. Next, Bruce is showing us how to drill holes in the bottom of the plastic bottles.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we've taken a paddle bit. Then what we did is we went and we gathered up some different Christmas lights. And you can use icicle lights and other Christmas lights, whatever you have laying around. But these, what we're going to do is unscrew the bulb, put it through the bottom of our bottle. And what we're going to do is just screw it back in.
When I visited Thailand, you could find these cylindrical lanterns everywhere. They really add color and vibrance to your set, and anyone can help make them.